What's up guys, so the shop just called me. They told me my parts arrived at the shop. Now I'm going to get them at the shop. So I just picked up my parts. Now I'm going to the body shop so they can paint my parts, put it on the car. I wanted to do it myself, but my car is in the body shop, so I'm gonna let them do it. It's going to be easier. We just had some issues with the parts because they were in the box, but the box was like way too big for putting them in the car. So we removed the parts from the boxes and we just let the plastic in it so it could fit. Now it's fitting in the trunk. So yeah, see you guys over there. At the body shop right now. This is my car. I'm going to show them when it's done because they immediately started working on it and I didn't want to disturb them with the camera. So guys, I told you that I was gonna show you my bumpers when they were ready, but I'm gonna go over there right now. I'm gonna see how they're working so you can see the process. Then a little bit later in this video I'm gonna show you the complete car, but actually it's over like a couple weeks because I had to go to the hospital and now I'm back, so I'm ready to film and show you everything. So yeah guys, see you over there. So guys, I'm at the shop right now. They are preparing my parts to paint. Over here you have the side, so they prepared with some tape. Over here you have my rear bumper, so it's going to be very nice. Over there you have a girl. And here you have my front end bumper. As you can see, it's very nice. I'm going to put on the plastic